Hi all, welcome back to the new tutorial of MS Excel 365 formula series. My name is Sachin and in this video we are going to learn goal seek functionality. So let's start guys. In front of you we have taken two projects which are project A, project B and their respective cash flows also we have taken. So the idea is which project we need to select based on NPV we need to drive. So, in a conventional way, how we can tackle this situation is we can take the differential cash flow of these two projects and we can simply apply the IRR and we can get it. And what is the formula for IRR? Is simply we need to select all the values range and press enter. And the crossover rate, that is the IRR rate where both projects are having NPV as zero, we can consider, or at this rate, this discount rate, the projects which we can select anyone, like we can select project A or project B. Now let's jump to the goal seek functionality, how we can get this result. So we are taking a hypothetical situation, the ideal discount rate is 10, and based on that discount rate we will compute the NP of the first project. So the formula of NP is we need to select the range, we need to select the rate. We can freeze it because we will apply the same rate to the project B also. And we will select the whole range of the cash flow that are being derived for project A and close the bracket. Plus, we need to subtract the outflow of the beginning of the year and press enter. We can freeze the cash flow, and the same way we can apply for the project B as well. And by applying this we are able to see there is a difference of 16, means by applying the discount rate of 10 we need to select project B instead of project A, but we want to get the discount rate that is favorable or equal to for both the project. How we can drive this? So what you need to do, you need to go to data and go to the what if analysis and go to goal seek. So this pop-up window will appear which will say set cell, that is J7. We want to make the difference of this project A and project B as 0. We can select to the value 0 and by changing our discount rate and simply we can click on OK. And after running the calculation it is saying goal seeking with cell J7 found a solution, target value 0, current value is minus 0, like there is some difference that you are getting, and press OK. So here if you see the discount rate is exactly same with the crossover rate that we were getting by applying the conventional way of doing. So this is pretty much all about this goal seek functionality that we can leverage to analyze two projects. So thank you guys. Hope you like the session. Thanks for watching. Keep like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video.